Hi guys! Winter vacation is just around the corner and I can't wait to embark on my snowy adventure. I'm going on a thrilling snowboarding trip to the majestic mountains. Excitement bubbles inside me as I think about the snowy slopes and the snowman I'm going to build. Before my grand journey, I have to pack my suitcase and I know I have to fill it with thick clothing. The mountains I'm going to are known for the freezing temperatures. But wait, don't you know what doesn't mean that something's thick? Let me tell you. Thick means that the inside of something is kind of fat and big, while thin is the opposite. It's like skinny or small. If a piece of clothing is thick, it means it's fuller and warmer. And if a piece of clothing is thin, means it's less warmer. In summer, we normally wear thin clothes. And in winter, we wear the thick ones. But wait, I'm just getting mixed up. Let me get back to what I was doing. Oh, yes! This is my beautiful closet. It's super cool, yes. Do you understand? I can ask for outfits directly and it just gives them to me. All right, let's start. I need an outfit for a snowboarding place. Oh, perfect! Can you see? It's perfect for snowboarding. The pants are thick, the sweater is thick, and the coat is thick too. Great! Thank you. Let me just think. Please, can you give me an outfit for trekking in the mountains? What? No, you've got it wrong. This clothing is far too thin for the mountains. Can you see? The pants are very thin. And these are for summer. And so is the t-shirt. I don't want to get a cold. Come on then. I'll give you one more chance. Remember, it's for trekking in the mountains. And it's winter. Ah, yes! Now you did it. That's just right. These pants are enough thick for the mountains. And so are the sweater and the vest. Yes, it's a very thick vest. Great, I like it. Very warm. Okay, what else? I need an outfit for my downtime at the hotel. Yes, I plan to have some time to read books and relax. Come on, closet. Give me the best outfit you've got. Yes. Perfect! This outfit is just right for my leisure time. Yeah, the pants and the sweater are a bit thick, but just enough to stay warm indoors. Yeah, I'm super ready. All my outfits are sorted and ready. I'm ready for my adventure. Great! Thank you, guys.
Do you want to keep learning with us? Download our worksheets and keep practicing. We have a full method to learn all type of structures in English. Check the description below for more content.